Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS RDS databases with automated snapshots, full guide step by step clearly. To backup AWS RDS databases with automated snapshots, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the RDS dashboard. Select the database instance you want to backup. In the database instance details, scroll to the Maintenance and Backups section. Locate the Automated Backups setting. Ensure that automated backups are enabled. Verify the retention period for your automated backups. Adjust the retention period if necessary. Set it according to your data recovery needs, up to a maximum of 35 days. If automation is not enabled, click on the Modify button. In the Modification settings, look for the Backup section. Check the box to enable automated backups. Select your desired backup retention period. Review your modifications and confirm your changes. The database instance will automatically take snapshots based on your configured schedule. Understand that these snapshots are incremental, saving storage space. You can view the status of your automated backups in the same Maintenance and Backups section. To create additional manual snapshots, return to the RDS dashboard. Select your desired database instance again. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. Choose Take Snapshot from the options. Give your snapshot a meaningful name for easy identification. Click on the Take Snapshot button to confirm. You can track the progress of your manual snapshot in the Snapshots section. Automated snapshots occur daily during your defined backup window. Adjust your backup window if necessary to minimize performance impact. Review your backup strategies regularly to ensure they meet your compliance needs. Consider using Amazon CloudWatch to set up monitoring for backup status. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.